Bissell Ion Plus 2-in-1 lightweight vacuum. 4 out of 5 stars. 16 reviews. Features: a lightweight cordless vacuum with superior suction, removable hand vacuum to easily clean wherever dirt is, and a 2-way folding handle. Includes extendable reach tool, edge reach technology, 18-volt Li-ion battery, normal boosted suction settings, a charging base and 180-degree swivel steering. Up to 30 minutes of cordless power, brush roll on or off switch, and edge bristles. 2-year warranty. Edge reach technology delivers powerful suction to the edges of the vacuum foot to capture dirt and debris even in corners. Removable hand vacuum. Easily remove hand vacuum for small messes to reach above floor surfaces. Folding handle for compact storage. 2-way foldable handle. The handle flexes forward and backwards to easy clean under furniture. Compare these Bissell vacuum cleaners. Get yours today. Visit the link below. Bissell Ion Plus 2-in-1 lightweight vacuum. 4 out of 5 stars. 16 reviews.